Okay guys, I had to make a delivery order from Instacart after hubby's Walmart delivery by Postmates. Let me show you what I picked up or ordered. Hello hopefuls, and thanks so much for coming back to my channel today. So I'm going to share with you a grocery Aldi Instacart haul. You guys, I think I'm all caught up on all the grocery hauls. You will see a Postmates Walmart delivery order that my husband ordered recently, and then this will be the next one where it was some stuff that I had to get for the kids' lunches, some stuff that I wanted, and just some stuff I wanted to make a meal out of and that we needed for the house. So I didn't feel like going to the store. I actually haven't been feeling like going to the store the past couple of days. So I really haven't been out the house too much. And I just thought it was convenient. Also, I had a free delivery that was going to expire in a couple of hours today. And then also with Instacart, and then also a $20 off a $50 order. So that kind of enticed me, but really that just took the taxes off and or paid for the taxes, and it paid for, what else did it pay for, y'all? The service fee, not the delivery fee, because the delivery fee was free, but a service fee. And service fee is just a fee that helps Instacart run, and it probably, I'm sure it's for maybe the driver, and then you also tip them. So let me show you what I picked up. I'm very pleased because everything that I ordered was in stock. I didn't make a mistake and should have either they didn't have it or either I hit the wrong button. I got apple juice instead of Josiah's fruit punch, but he should be fine. And yeah, so I've tipped her really good. The only thing is that I saw that my very first job was at grocery store, so I learned how to bag correctly. And I noticed a lot of people, even the young kids today, do not, well, older people too, at the grocery stores, do not know how to bag correctly, or they just don't care. So you don't put chemicals together. You kind of do a climate control in your bag, especially if you don't have insulated bags. And so you put all the cold stuff together. You don't put chicken with other things. You kind of, when I do my deliveries, I kind of put it in a bag by itself. Yeah, stuff that won't crush. You put all the boxes together, bottles together, stuff that won't be too heavy if you need to double bag it, stuff like that. So that's the only thing that I saw that, and I'm not really picky about stuff like that, but just, if you shouldn't put stuff like this with your food, and your chicken should be in a bag by itself, or you shouldn't have boxes with cold stuff. So anyway, I'm done, y'all. So what I ordered was some paper plates, some frosted flakes, and the prices are a little bit tad higher on Instacart. When you deliver by Walmart, you're only paying the delivery fee, but the food is the same price that it is in the store. But with Instacart and maybe probably with Shipt, they are a little bit higher because I know the prices. So I spent a total of it held my card for $130, but I only spent $110, and it will tell you that in the fine print at the bottom. So I see that they have this family size frosted flakes now, which we need. They will really go through it in a day. Depends on if Jason's off or not, or if Trail's here. Yeah, on what he wants to eat. So I got some hot jalapenos. I believe we still have some, but I'm going to make these extreme tops that Sonic, the restaurant, has, and I haven't made it in a while, and I thought about it when I was placing the order. I also got some ranch. We do have some, but I wanted to make sure we have some, and JJ really loves it. Some honey mustard dressing. I got this for some chicken tenders. Yeah, and then some crumbled feta, reduced fat. There were some other produce that I wanted, but I said I'll wait on it. Because I just wanted to pick it myself, like raspberries and some blueberries and stuff. I got this organic ground beef. I've been wanting to try this for a while. I was watching, I can't think of his channels, but he went to Aldi and he was talking about the top healthiest foods at Aldi. And I've been eyeing this for a while. You guys remember I was talking about this. So I thought I'd pick it up and try it. It's not but $4.99. I'm sure Instacart has the price a little bit higher. Some baby carrots, and I'll put the prices according to Instacart on the blog. They gonna be higher than what it will be on my receipt. And when you shop for Instacart, they're not supposed to give you the receipt, mainly for that reason. So this probably came to about $70, y'all. I'm thinking if I went in the store and did it myself. 75, maybe 80. Okay, some baby carrots, some center cut bacon, some toaster tarts, some mini peanut butter sandwich crackers, some marshmallows and stars cereal. I don't pick this up a lot, but I wanted some sausage biscuits, and I'm like, I could do it myself, but then, it's already together, and I just really wanted one. So sausage, egg, and cheese biscuits, you only get 4 in here. Some raisins, some mixed fruit, some baked penguins, and I don't know why the goldfish wasn't showing up for me. Probably I just needed to type it in, but I got this. The only thing with these, Josiah does prefer the goldfish. I noticed that these kind of crumble a little bit more than the goldfish, the penguins. So I got some spiral low moisture part skim mozzarella cheese. Mama and I are not really a fan of these, but they're like lower in WW points, especially the plain mozzarella. So, and she says she's not really a fan of the cheese either, the block cheese, which I understand. So anyway, It is kind of bland, the stick cheese, to us. But you know, if I make a little tray for myself, like some pepperoni, I didn't get any almonds, or tomatoes, or celery and carrots on a little plate, then I'll have some cheese. Okay, so I have some reduced fat sharp cheddar cheese, and that will go on the extreme tots. I wanted to get the full fat, but I didn't. Some pitted olives, and I needed this for my salad yesterday. I just like olives on my salad. I needed some dish liquid soap. I was running out. I had some Mrs. Meyer's, and I like the lavender scent, but the boys were heavy-handed with it, and I should have always have Mrs. Meyer's and this on hand and let them wash dishes with this, because they just was really heavy-handed with it. I got some Moo tubes, and this is the bouncing blueberry and strawberry, as you guys can see. Some ranch tortilla chips, and I got these because Jason got that big variety pack, and Josiah really loves, he always says, the blue bag. And they went through it really quick, so I'm just going to put those in little baggies for Josiah. And the orange juice is $1.99. The cranberry juice, I saw on Instacart, it was $1.99. I believe it's cheaper. Some chicken tenderloins. It's usually about $5 and some change, and I know it was higher on Instacart. Some potato puffs. This is for the extreme tots. So I think I think I did a recipe on it on the channel. It's really easy. It's just the tater tots. You put chili on it. You put onions, but I already have onions, so I don't have to worry about that. You put jalapenos, ranch, and bacon bits and cheese, and put it in the oven for a couple minutes, and it's done. Well, of course, you got to cook those first. I got some little salad bar chunky blue cheese dressing and dip, and I really wanted the ranch, the thicker one, and I have some in there, but I have to check the expiration date. And I think it's been in there for a minute. I got the Chewy dipped granola bars, just like JJ loves these, so I got these for him. Josiah might like them too. Josiah likes the cashew granola bar, so I got this for his lunch. His lunch today looked pitiful, and I was like, no, Mama's gonna have to get you, because he's so particular. He wants, he doesn't eat with certain things, so I want to make sure he's eating. And I'm like, Jason didn't get everything. The apple juice, I meant to get the fruit punch. I got 2 of the original chili no beans. For the extreme tots, I got some pepperoni, some real bacon pieces, some real bacon bits. They're usually like $1.29. This is usually like $2.29. Some celery is usually like $1.19 or less. And I'm gonna like I want to try juicing, celery juicing. Have you guys tried that? So I wanted to either try, I want to try that one day. And then I want to try, of course, not try, but a little veggie plate. And I do sometimes when I have the munchies, when I stay up at night. Trying to stay up with Jason. So crispy chicken strips. I have not tried these before. If I have, it's been a while. And this is usually around $5 and something. I think that's what it was on the website too. So the diced pears, and I'll probably put these in the air fryer with some honey mustard, and that's probably what they'll have today with the extreme tots. Some diced pears, some steamed broccoli florets. So just put that in the microwave. This is like my favorite. You guys see it all the time. It's usually like $1.09. The buffalo chicken strips. I think I seen these in, I can't remember. I want to say I seen this in Nicole and Help Mama Remote's haul a while back. And I hope they are. I hope they're good. I think these are the ones. If these are the ones, I know she said they're good. And then, so the pineapple tidbits, I got that. And then I just popped, you know how you scrolling when you're ordering. And I got these. And I'm going to see how many points these are, because they might be catastrophic. Then I also got some grape tomatoes, so for my salad, and then also to make a little veggie tray. We needed, oh my god, we needed toilet paper like bad. So sometimes, I don't know if you guys, sometimes if you get low, you got to go to the other bathroom and check to see if you got some toilet paper. I know back in the day, y'all, when you get so low that you got to use paper towels, and you got to be careful so you won't clog the toilet. I tell you. But, or whatever napkins you have, y'all, been there, done that, back in the day on the struggle bus. And then I I got these paper towels because I couldn't remember how many we had left because I put them in the bottom of the pantry. So I got them just in case because, yeah. Uh-oh. Please didn't buzz. Oh my God. So guys, that is all that I picked up today. Yeah, I think, yeah, it was $110. And again, it would have been cheaper if I went in the store and got it myself. But I didn't feel like going. It's been rainy and I got some work to do. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Also, I have a grocery meal plan that you can download for free down below in the description box. And then also any other hauls. I have an entire playlist of Aldi grocery hauls that you can check out down below, as well as what's for dinner and some recipes that you can check out as well. But I also do other videos on my channel like home decor and party decorating for my home or for others if they ask. So thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye bye.